The ocean covers more than 2/3 of our planet, and we've explored less than 5% of it. Every time a camera sinks deeper, it finds something no one expected. Creatures that shimmer like stars, eyes that see without light, and bodies built for pressure that would crush steel. Scientists describe them with Latin names. The rest of us just stare. Tonight, we descend into the black water to meet the ocean's hidden creatures, the ones it kept from us until we learned how to see in the dark. The immortal drifter, it begins with something small, a jellyfish no larger than your thumbnail. Discovered off the coast of Italy, Turritopsis dohrnii should have lived a few weeks, but when it ages, it does something no other animal can. It reverses time. Instead of dying, its cells transform, reverting to their earliest state and starting life all over again. Scientists call it biological immortality. It's not magic, it's cell reprogramming. But it forces a question that sounds more philosophical than scientific. If death isn't inevitable for this creature, why is it for us? Deep in the sea, time doesn't flow forward. It circles, the living fossil. For millions of years, textbooks said it was extinct. Then, in 1938, a fisherman off South Africa pulled one from the net. A fish thought gone since the time of the dinosaurs. The coelacanth. It has lobed fins, halfway between limbs and flippers, and a slow, rolling swim that looks more like walking. When scientists studied it, they found a creature almost frozen in time. Its heart, blood, and body temperature unlike any modern fish. It lives deep, near volcanic slopes, avoiding sunlight entirely. The last time humans and coelacanth shared the surface, continents were still rearranging. To see one alive is to stare into the Triassic, proof that the ocean doesn't erase history. It preserves it. The indestructible shrink down to a speck of dust. You'd find the toughest animal on Earth, the tardigrade. It looks like a microscopic bear in a padded suit, but it can survive radiation, boiling water, freezing vacuum, even outer space. When conditions turn deadly, it performs an impossible trick. It dries out completely, folding its legs, curling into a crystal-like shell called a ton. Then it stops time. Metabolism drops to near zero. DNA is protected by special proteins. It can stay like that for decades, waiting for a drop of water to wake it. We call it a water bear. But the truth is, it's not really from our world. It simply survives in all of them. The glowing abyss, 8,000 meters down, sunlight dies. And yet, it's full of light. Creatures here make their own glow, not from heat or reflection, but from bioluminescence. Some use it to hunt. The anglerfish, with a glowing lure that dangles from a spine above its mouth. Others use it to hide, matching the faint blue shimmer from above so predators can't see them. A few use it to communicate, flickers of light spelling out messages in the dark, conversations we've only just begun to notice. In this world, brightness is survival, and the darker it gets, the more the ocean burns with cold fire. The giants that rise every year. Sailors report shadows longer than ships, moving just beneath the surface, silent, immense. We used to call them legends. Now we call them Architeuthis ducks, the giant squid. 30 feet long, eyes the size of dinner plates, and arms lined with suckers that leave scars on whales. For centuries, they were invisible. No one had ever filmed one alive until 2012. When the footage came, it wasn't violent or monstrous. The squid moved with grace, a silent crimson ghost, vanishing into darkness as if embarrassed by its own existence. The ocean didn't create myths. It created creatures that were too large to hide, and then gave them a world big enough to do it anyway. We look at the stars and call space the final frontier. But the real alien world is beneath us, not above. The ocean doesn't reveal itself easily. It waits. It buries. It guards. Some of what lives there breaks every rule we know: time, death, light, evolution. Maybe that's why we keep diving. Not just to find life, but to find what life is capable of when no one is watching. These are the creatures the ocean hid from us. And somehow, we're still the ones gasping for air.